Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about time and work questions. So here I'll explain the concept of time and work as well as I'll solve 5 different types of questions based on time and work so that you are able to solve the questions easily. And after doing these questions with me, you can try out other questions which might help you further. So let's understand time and work are directly proportion. We know if ज़्यादा काम है तो ज़्यादा समय लगेगा, कम काम है तो कम समय लगेगा. So we can say time is directly proportional to work. Now you will say, ma'am, we know how to solve directly proportional questions. Then why are you making a separate video on this? The reason is we have a different technique to solve these questions. When it comes to different questions, children get stuck here. So let's understand what are some generalized concepts that we use when we are doing time and work questions, specifically time and work questions. Okay. Now the few generalization that we use here is if a piece of work takes n days, it takes n days to complete a work. It can be plowing a field, or it can be painting a wall or making a wall. A is taking, work is fixed. Okay, this is the work. Suppose it's painting a wall is the work and A is taking n days. तो एक दिन में वो कितनी वॉल पेंट करेगा? एक दिन में वो 1/n वॉल पेंट करेगा, तभी वो n डेज में पूरी एक वॉल पेंट कर पाएगा. वैसे ही यदि आपको दिया हुआ है इस क्वेश्चन में कि B 1/m वॉल पेंट कर रहा है, B इज पेंटिंग 1/m वॉल इन 1 day, that means B will paint the whole wall in m days. So both ways the generalization works. Same way, if you have in the question A and B are working together, the basic concept that we will use here, we will take out the work done in 1 hour, add it up or subtract, whatever be the case, and then find out the total work done in how many days. So the concept used here will be whatever is given to us, we will first find out the work done in 1 hour or 1 day. Unitary method we'll use that, and for that we'll use these generalizations. Once that's done, we will do the operation as per the question, and then at the end we again use the generalization. If 1/m work एक दिन में हो रहा है तो एक दिन में तो पूरा वर्क m days में ख़त्म होगा. Let's understand by few questions. Let me take the first question. If A finishes a piece of work in 12 days and B alone can finish it in 15 days, if both of them work together, how much time will they take to finish the work? So first statement, in 1 day A will do how much work? 1/12. Please write here work. If you don't write 1/12 work, you will get confused this is day or work. In 1 day, B will do 1/15 work. In 1 day, A and B, A plus B will do how much work? 1/12 plus 1/15. Taking the LCM, 60. 5 plus 4, 9/60. Reduce 3/20. It implies this is work they are doing in 1 day. Okay, it implies A plus B will do one work in reverse of this 20/3 days, which is equal to 6 2/3 days. I hope you understand how I got this. So it was if A and B एक काम A plus B एक काम m days 1/m day में कर रहे हैं तो one work they will do in m work days. So here you have written work, then you understand we are talking about work. So one work will be done in m days. This is the concept that we are using here. Okay, let's move on to the next question. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. Now they are here in this question, it is already given in 1 day A plus B will do how much work? 1 upon 12 work. Okay. In one day, B will do how much work? 1 upon 30 work. So now let's understand A and B together एक दिन में ये एक काम पूरा ख़त्म कर रहे हैं और उसमें से B इतना काम ख़त्म कर रहा है, ये A प्लस बी का वर्क है, ये B का वर्क है, तो A के वर्क के लिए क्या करेंगे? A प्लस बी ने एक दिन में कितना काम किया माइनस A B ने कितना काम किया. सो इट विल बी इन वन डे A will do how much? Work done by A plus B minus work done by B alone. So it will be 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 30, taking the LCM. So here LCM will be 60. Again 5 minus 2, 3 by 60, that is 1 upon 20. So we get the answer. It implies A will do work in 20 days. How do we get 20 days? Because this was 1 upon 20. From here we get the answer 20 days. Let's move on to the next one. So the next question is, A can do a piece of work in 25 days. B can do the piece of work in 20 days. So in one day, A can do 1 by 20 work, 25 work. In one day, B can do 1 upon 20 work. So in one day, A plus B will do how much work? Very obvious, 1 by 25 plus 1 upon 20. LCM is 100. 4 plus 5, that is 9 by 100 work. So they say, now further we read, they work together for 5 days. एक दिन में इन्होंने 9 by 100 वर्क किया. So in 5 days, A plus B will do how much work? 5 into 9 by 100. That is 9 by 20 work. We do the cancellation. Now this much work is done by them. But then A fell sick. After 5 days, A is out of the picture. Now this remaining work, 9 by 20 वर्क हो गया. जो बचा हुआ काम है वो एक B को अलोन करना है. तो काम बचा कितना है पहले कैलकुलेट करेंगे. रिमेनिंग वर्क is 1 minus 9 by 20, that is 20 minus 9 by 20, that is 11 by 20. Now 11 by 20 work is left, and we know that B can do a piece of work. B के लिए क्या बोला है? 1 by 20 वर्क B एक दिन में करता है. तो 11 by 20 वर्क कितने दिन में करेगा? Cross unitary method, 11 by 20 divided by 1 by 20, that will be 11 days. So here we get the answer for this one. B will do the remaining work in 20 days. Let's quickly move on to the next question. The next question is when the values of men and women both is mentioned in the questions. 3 men or 5 women. That means 3 men are equal to 5 women. In this case, we will write 3 men is equal to 5 women. That's given to us. So if we make our chart for men and women question, this is a direct question. It's not a work and time question, but still I have taken it up. Our chart is of men and days. Okay, first case they are saying 3 men can do it in 12 days. For the next one they are saying 6 men and 5 women. So 6 men will be equal to how many women? It will be equal to 5 into 2, because this is your doubling, so this will also be doubled. It will be 10 women. 6 men is equal to 10 women. So let's take here women instead of men. It is 5 women, 12 days, and here in case 2 it is 6 men which is equal to 10 women. So total number of women, total women in second case will be 10 plus 5, that is 15 women. So we write here 15 and we have to find out why here. ज़्यादा वुमेन ज़्यादा काम होगा क्या? नहीं, ज़्यादा वुमेन कम काम होगा. ज़्यादा वुमेन will more work. So it is more people, more work, but the days, here we are comparing women with days. So more women, less days. It is inverse proportion. That means 5 into 12 is equal to 15 into y. So y will be 560 upon 15, that is 4 days they will complete the work. So here the major trick of the question is converting men to women. This is the important part of the question which you should understand. So mark this, how we are doing the conversion here. This is important. Okay, let's move on to another question on time and work only. To complete a work, A takes 50% more time than B. So if B takes X days, then A will take X plus 50% more. That means 50 upon 100 into X. That is X plus X by 2. That is 3X by 2. So now we come back to the same method. In one day, B does 1 by X work. In one day, A does reverse of this. It will be 2 by 3X work. In one day together, A plus B will do 1 by X plus 2 by 3X work. Taking the LCM, 3X. It will be 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 3X. Now here they have given in the question, if they work together, they take 18 days to complete it. That means in one day, if A and B are working together, they will do 1 by 18 work. So this and this are same. We can equate first equation with the second equation, which says 5 upon 3x is equal to 1 upon 18. It implies 3x is equal to 5 into 18 and x is equal to 5 into 18 by 3, cancelling 30 days. So that means B takes 30 days and A will take 45 days, 50% more work. But they have asked only B. I hope you understood these questions. In case of doubt, you can ask in the comment section or revisit the video again, solve the questions with it. The only mantra for getting success in maths is practice. Keep practicing and keep watching videos of Easy Maths.